Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to enable and use inbuilt screen recorder in any Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So firstly let me show you by going to the start menu and let me try to search a screen recorder. So when you search for this screen recorder, there is no such inbuilt screen recorder application, right? So how you can enable this inbuilt screen recorder? So for this, what you need to do is just open the Microsoft Store, and now on the search box, just search for one application name as snipping tool. Search this application. As you can see here, just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you can see here, in my case, the installed version is 11.2302.4.0, right? So you need to get this version or newer than this version or this version, and if it does not have this version, then you might be seeing some update option on the above. So in my case there is no update since I have updated it earlier. So if you see an update, then update it to the latest version. Then after that, just tap on open. Now it will open the snipping tool, and now you can see here one option. Just click on it. Now this option is for recording screen. So in the earlier version of the snipping tool, we don't have the screen recording features, but recently the Microsoft has included screen recording features in the snipping tool itself. So once you select this record, now just click on this new, and now select the area where you want to record. So in my case I want to record the complete area, and after that just click on the start button. Now the screen recording has started. So let us perform some task. So once you're done with your screen recording, you can see one red button. Just click on it. Now it will show you a preview, and now you can see on the right above save option. Just click on it. Now select the location where you want to save. So in my case I want to save in the desktop. You can give the name on the file and click on save. Now it will be saved. So now let us try to play. So it's perfectly working, but the sad part is that while you are using a screen recording using the snipping tool, it does not support the audio recording. So I hope in the future Microsoft include the audio recording option available inside this snipping tool screen recording options, so that it might be more useful for most of the users. So in this way you can enable and use inbuilt screen recorder in any Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.